Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the group cannot be displayed on Telegram. First, make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. If your internet is weak, Telegram may not load group properly. Next, update the Telegram app. For that, go to the App Store. In the search bar, type Telegram and tap Update if one is available. An outdated app can cause groups not to be displayed. Now let's talk about content restriction. Sometimes Telegram blocks certain group on iPhone because of Apple content rule. To fix this, open Safari on your iPhone and go to the webtelegram.org. Log in with your phone number. Once login, open settings, then click on privacy and security. Turn off sensitive content filtering if you see that option. After this, return to the Telegram app and check the group again. Another reason could be that you were removed or banned from the group. If that happens, the group will not display. In this case, you will need to ask the group admin to add you again. Also check if the group was deleted or made private. If so, it may no longer be accessed. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.